This is DFix channel. Hello everyone and welcome to my Excel series. Today's topic is all about selecting the best supplier when comparing multiple options offering different prices for the same product. Choosing the right supplier involves looking beyond just price. For instance, we should factor in the credit days they offer. It's important to analyze each price in relation to bank charges or interest and the credit terms provided by each supplier. By considering these aspects, we can make a more informed and financially sound decision. Let's dive in. I'm feeling completely confused. Should I buy from supplier A Limited, B Limited or C Limited? Each has its pros and cons, and making the right choice isn't easy. But don't worry, we have a solution that will make this decision much clearer. Take a look at this table. We have 4 suppliers, each quoting different prices for the same items. The table shows the suppliers' names, credit terms, bank charges or interest rates, along with the product details like part numbers, quality and price per piece. Our goal is to analyze this table to find the supplier offering the most favorable price. To simplify things, we're using a quantity of 1 for each product. Now, let's see which supplier offers the best price when we factor in bank charges and credit terms. Step 1. Start by summing up the prices in the price column for the first supplier, A Limited, and then repeat the same process for each of the other suppliers. Step 2. Next, calculate the bank charges based on the current bank interest rate and the number of credit days each supplier offers. For example, for supplier A Limited, apply a 10% bank charge for a 15-day credit period. Watch closely as I walk you through constructing the formula to calculate this. Then apply the same calculation for each of the other suppliers. This simplified approach makes it easy to compare costs accurately across all suppliers. Before we move on to step 3, let's take another look at how we constructed the formula. It's simple. We calculated the bank interest at 10% over a 15-day period. This calculation helps us see the true cost of each supplier's credit terms. Let's go over the formula step by step to make sure it's clear before we proceed. Step 3. Now let's deduct the bank charge savings from the total amount to get the net cost of purchase. The bank charge savings represent the benefit we get from the credit days offered by each supplier. So to find the actual cost of purchase, we subtract these savings from the supplier's quoted prices. With this net cost, we can now easily compare prices and decide which supplier offers the best deal. In our example, C Limited has the most favorable price. Thank you for watching this Excel tutorial. Your feedback means a lot to me, so please feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with others who might benefit from these Excel tips. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you master Excel. See you in the next lesson.